Alright, we're past, so you may want to start coming down.
Oh, yeah, it's a thing.
I gave it to you late.
That's okay.
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Yeehaw!
Yeah, super fun.
It's super fun.
Super duper fun. Just doesn't want to go down today. That's great. Good thing in an airplane. Going deeper on purpose to give him time, and I know that's not your thing, but it gives me time too. Mutually beneficial here. That's fun when you pull into the wind. Oh, we're way the hell out here.
1100 is left base for 36. Hilliard.
All right, missed it a second ago. Fuel selector is still in both. There it is. Mixture stayed in full, Rich. Please check your seatbelt. Mine's good.
He's airborne, by the way.
I see him. Nice. Landing light stayed on. We're going to try it again. This is a weird pattern, but doesn't matter. It matters, I shouldn't say. Kind of just a whole slime of events here.
$848.
Hilliard traffic, Scott 1100, final 36 Hilliard.
I was just about to push the button.
All right.
Look at the Cub just drifting left.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my.
Well, we get the side slip in now so we can have it set. So give me a little right wing down, left rudder. Get to the center line. There we go.
Runway.
Don't go low. Trees. Oh man, we're close. Make sure you clear the trees before you drop in, okay? Did you power it all the way out?
Yeah.
Okay, don't do it too soon. And let's full stop. So just to keep it coming. No brakes, back. Okay, right wing into the wind. Okay, keep it coming. All the way back, all the way. Thank you. Keep it coming. Power.
Oh.
Don't stop don't stop.
Okay, yeah.
Taxiway's over there. Hit between those two blue lights, but make sure you don't flip us over on the turn.
I have to use some.
And it is a taxiway. He doesn't really need a back taxi. I don't know why he did. And then just follow the all the way down. You know, past where we did our maintenance. Yep, just come all the way, and you're gonna keep going. You're gonna drop the flaps to 10. Okay.
Hilliard traffic, Yellow Cub 92188. Depart the area to the north. We're going to be over the river, Hilliard.
So drop your flaps to 10. Okay. And that's your takeoff configuration. Okay. Just keep it coming.
Okay.
See the holes?
Yeah,
that's what we're avoiding. So. Come over to the right. Avoid this guy. Get plenty of room because there's no one there. Yep, right here. Just stay right here. The momentum up. Don't get too slow. So he's back taxi. You see where the taxiway is? That's what he was doing.
Yeah.
Hilliard 1100, be back taxi runway 36 for takeoff. Hilliard traffic.
There's airplane parts. I think there's another one down
there is.
So you can go go down to the next one.
Why not be on the runway?
I don't know why he did it way down here. That's very interesting. So this is the key: avoiding the gopher holes, keeping the nose back, and keeping the momentum going. Now we're just going to take off. So you're going to smoothly roll onto the runway wherever. You can even go back a little, but when you spin around, max throttle, keep the nose up. Look at that. We're going to get ground effect before we do anything, okay? To accelerate. All right, so here we go.
I'm going to take the taxiway.
Take taxiway right here. Yep. Keep going and keep the momentum up. Don't hit that light. Don't hit that light. Come all the way down this side.
Oh, this side. Okay.
Yeah. Don't hit that light, and we're going to spin around at the end. Give us most runway we can. Those are the end lights. And that's the key. Okay, all the way. Now we're going to come all the way around. Even if you fell on that side, drift toward center line. Get all the way back. And roll it straight down. Just point. There's no center line. Go. Max power. Carpy. That'll kill you. That will kill you. I have the controls. I have the controls. Now we got to stay in ground effect right here. You see that?
Yeah.
Now there's 60. Okay. I think you were trying too hard to get it airborne. You know what I'm saying?
It was just about to pop off, I think. I don't know. I was waiting on it.
I wasn't sure. I figured sometimes I need to feel it myself. That's it. That's it. Everything you did is probably perfectly fine and dandy.
Huh.
The weird part is pushing the nose over.
Yeah, I was just going to let it come up a little bit and then push it down. Just let her float.